cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni, and with this makeup look, today I am reviewing the Nimya palette from NIKKIE Tutorials. Today I'm super happy because I'm gonna review the NIKKIE Tutorials palette. NIKKIE Tutorials, of course, is among the people who inspired me to start YouTube, to do makeup. I love her, she's so iconic, and of course I had to try her own palette. I have the first unfortunate collaboration that she has done with Too Faced, I have the second one with Beauty Bay, and now it was time for me to update this as well. So let me open the palette for you to show you how it looks like. Oh my god, it has this at the mirror. Let me remove it here with you, some ASMR moments, okay? Oh yes, very satisfying. To be honest, I have done some swatches. You're gonna see them here, so you understand how are the colors, why I'm choosing to combine the color that you will see later on. And yeah, without any further ado, let's move to the makeup part. As always, I'm gonna start my makeup by applying some primer, the Primer Potion from Urban Decay. This time, I'm gonna apply it until here, because I have quite big plans for today's makeup. I would like to be more creative than usual, and I would try to create a more kinda unusual makeup, a more editorial makeup, because I think that this palette is not really made for conventional looks, or at least in my case I don't want to present it with a conventional look, because NIKKIE Tutorial to me is so iconic as a person, and I felt that I wanted to do something extra to review her palette. So here we are. I'm just applying the concealer until here. I don't know if you can see it clearly at the camera, but you will see the colors, don't worry. Now I'm gonna take this eye pencil. This comes from NYX Professional Makeup and it's called Midnight. It's a very nice deep blue. I'm using it for two reasons. First of all, I would like to set my limits, because today I'm going with a kind of different look and I haven't tried this before, so I want to know very precisely where I'm going. And secondly, I want you to understand what shapes I'm gonna follow today. So let's start by here, kind of the inner corner. And oh my god, the pencil is not very good. I'm gonna try to create kind of like the cut crease shape, but this time instead of going down, I will try to be as straight as possible. You will understand what I'm doing as long as you see where the pencil is going. And this is where I'm going very roughly. Of course, you don't have to worry, this is not gonna be the final shape. I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna make it more beautiful. I just want to have a guideline. Now, let's dive into the palette. I'm gonna open it, and of course, I'm gonna try the blues. Of course, I don't think that you expected something different from me. I'm gonna go to this one right here. It is called Royal Family, and I'm gonna take a quite fluffy brush like this one. This is a collaboration with Care Bears, but I don't remember where is it coming from. I'm gonna start just by packing some color on my eyelid. I would like to have a lot of color, a lot of pigment before I start blending, because I want to have it as deep as possible. Did I tell you that I'm gonna start with this brush? Okay, forget it. I'm gonna start with this one because I felt that this is gonna be better for blending and not for packing. I'm going to Royal Family. I'm gonna look at the awesome mirror of the palette and let's start. Ooh, oh, that's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Can you see it? Oh, I'm super happy with this eyeshadow. Look at it. No patches. Perfect blending with the skin there without any other powder. I mean, what else can I ask for? I love it. Now, I'm gonna take again the same pencil from NYX Professional Makeup, and I'm gonna go at my waterline. I'm gonna apply it, and again, I'm gonna go back to the Royal Family, this one right here. I mean, it starts shaping a hole there. I have used a lot of it, but it's such a pretty color. Anyway, back to relevancy. I'm gonna go there with with the pencil, and then I'm gonna apply just a little bit of the Royal Family eyeshadow just to make the full eye kinda deep dark blue. Well, I don't know if you're planning to recreate this look, but for those of you who will, let me tell you, I have used a wet wipe in order to clean this line here. I don't want to clean anything from under my eye area because I'm planning to do some extra stuff. Anyway, back to relevancy, I'm gonna take the Fix Potion from Aden Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply an amount here at the middle of my lid, and then I'm gonna try the duochrome of this palette, or at least one of the duochromes that this palette provides. It is called Brrr, Brrr, and I'm ready to apply it here and admire the blue and pink sparkle. Let's see! I'm super happy with this duochrome, and I don't know if you can see it with this darker base that I chose to have on the bottom of this. It shows even more grade. Let's move on, and I'm about to use the highlight according to me of the palette. This is called Disco Stick, and I'm gonna apply a very small amount here at my inner corner and under my eyebrow area. Oh my god, I have blue on my forehead. I'm gonna clean myself before I do the rest of the makeup, don't worry. Anyway, I was telling you about Disco Stick. I'm gonna apply here at the inner corner and a little bit under the eyebrow area to give some light to this very dark makeup. As always, I'm gonna start with Fix Potion because I would like to make sure that I'm gonna do justice to the colors. And to be honest, so far everything is pretty good, so I have quite high expectations. I'm looking for a clean brush in order to be able to apply this primer. Yeah, I found it. I'm gonna use from Beauty Bay the BB 212. I'm gonna take the primer and let's see. I would like to tell you at this point that if you're not a big fan of the trust the process makeup looks, this look is not for you. Me, myself, I'm not a fan of these types of looks because I'm getting stressed when I see all this. I'm like, oh my god, where is this going? Where is this going? What am I doing to my makeup today? But I really wanted to do so I'm like, I'm gonna beat myself and I'm gonna do this makeup look, but it's kinda harsh to see all these colors being in the place that they are right now and actually not be able to say like, everything is gonna be fine, it's going in a good way. Oh yeah, it can be stressful, but I feel that the result will be very beautiful, or at least I hope so. Now I'm scared. Now I'm very scared because I'm gonna take a wet wipe and basically I'm gonna try to clean here and there a little bit so I can create some kinda bright spots, so I can use more eyeshadows from the palette, although that I'm pretty sure about the quality right now. But this is what I have designed. Yes, I'm designing all my looks on a paper, so oof, I don't know. I don't want to destroy this look because I really like it and I could kind of leave it like this. But no, I have decided to do this and I will do this. So send me positive vibes, wish me good luck, and let's do it, okay? Let's do it. In the end, I'm very happy with how the look turned out. What do you think so far? I think that we have a kind of more goth look, which always makes me a bit more happy. In the end, I think that the look turned out beautifully, and I think that I kind of have a more goth element, which always makes me a little bit extra happy. Anyway, next step is to go to my P. Louise eyeshadow base, the absolute white one. I think it's the number 0. Yes, it's the number 0. And I'm gonna apply it here where I have cleaned. Before I apply the next color of the palette, I'm gonna use an amount here on my hand. I don't want a lot because it's gonna be a detail work anyway. I think this is gonna be more than enough. I'm gonna take a kind of small brush. Do I even have any small brushes? Because I used a lot of brushes for the blending and I think I'm out. No, I found this one. This is from Beauty Bay, On Point it's called. And I'm gonna take an amount of the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I think that here at the next step I'm gonna surprise you since I'm not using any more blues. Wow! Now I wanna go with a more kinda toned down color. This is called Swish. Yeah? Am I saying it this correctly? Anyway, very beautiful kinda rose tone eyeshadow, kind of transition color, but I feel it's gonna be the perfect contrast to my very dark blue. So I'm gonna take an LH brush and I'm gonna dive into the color because I haven't tried anything of the lighter colors of this palette. Oh my god, I don't know what happened, but my recording stopped unexpectedly and you missed kinda when I was applying the Swish Swish color. I said that it was super soft and nice, very high quality, as you can see here. You didn't miss anything really important. I was just applying this with this brush, like it's fine, you can survive. Now I'm gonna move on to the next color and I'm going back to the disco stick because I really liked it. So what I'm planning to do is to mix it here where the swish ending and kind of have something like a highlighter, since today I cannot use any proper highlighter. My makeup is quite low at my face, so I'm thinking to replace it with this trick right here. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm here to try it. I will need a more fluffy brush for this because I don't want kind of high concentration of product. I don't think that this will look pretty. So I don't know if I should go with this one or if I should search a little bit more. Stay tuned and I'm gonna show you the brush. Oh, I found it! This is gonna be it from Beauty Bay and Techni Days collection. As you know, I have already primed this with my P. Louise eyeshadow base. So they use any fixed potion? I don't think so. I don't want something super intense because it's gonna be at the end of the shape, so I want the fade out effect. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at it. Love it. Love it. It's so pretty. Perfect! So can you guess what's gonna happen now? Basically, I'm gonna turn off the camera, I'm gonna finish the rest of the face makeup, and then I will come back to do the lips with you and actually share my thoughts about this palette. I'm back and now it's time to do the lips as well. Since I'm reviewing NIKKIE tutorials, I'm dying to try her lip gloss as well. It is called Spill the Juice Lip Gloss Don't Tell Anyone. Promising, very promising. It's the absolute white one, or I don't know, iridescent or something. She had some others without glitters, but this really spoke to me. Well, for today, I'm basically planning to do a blue lip just to match the eye look. So I'm gonna start with the same pencil that I was using for my eyes as well. NYX Professional Makeup Faux Blacks in the shade Midnight. I'm gonna go around my lips, then I'm gonna use this mini from Jeffree Star in the shade Titanic, and then I'm gonna use this lip gloss as a topper. I'm so curious. Let's do it! You know something, it's not review time yet, but I just couldn't ignore this. When I was applying this lip gloss, it smells like something very sugary, and that brought me some memories from my childhood. I'm already in love. I don't care about how it looks like. I just want it on my face, on my lips all the time. I want to be able to smell it all the time. It looks very good as well. Like, I don't want to be unfair, of course, but the smell, oh my god, how did she get that smell? I just love it. I'm dying. It's just so delicious. Oh my god, one more time. Oh, it's so tasty. I literally want to eat my lips right now. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. For today I decided to tell you the Greek word for unconventional because my makeup look today is a little bit unconventional. So in Greek we say antisymvatikos. Say with me. Antisymvatikos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using this word, or actually tell me the word in your own native language. Review time! Let's start with the gloss, which I know that I'm already in love. Oh my god, the scent. Oh my god, you need to smell it. At least. I don't say you need to buy it, I don't say anything like this. You don't need to buy anything if you already have a gloss, but literally you need to take a sniff of this smell because it's just amazing. Now when it comes to the actual product, I'm very happy. You see, it even kind of changed the colors of my lips, which is very important for me because I see a lot of impressive glosses every now and then, but they actually do not show off a lot on the lips. So I really appreciate when I see this color and I have kind of very similar color on my lips. It's a big thumbs up. I don't feel at all that it's sticky. sticky or unpleasant or something like that. Love the scent, it's a very good product. Now, when it comes to the actual palette, let me tell you that I love the packaging because NIKKIE Tutorial seems absolutely stunning here. I loved also that she included a little booklet with some makeup look tutorials. I mean, it's so cute and it's such a clever idea because I haven't seen anything similar before at all the palettes that I have bought. So I think it's very helpful if you want some inspiration, some ideas, if you don't know what to do, if you don't know what to combine of this palette, so a big thumbs up for it. Now, when it comes to the actual palette, no, I'm not gonna hold it upside down again. This is the palette. I think the quality is very good. I mean, look at this matte, look how smooth it is, and look how it blended out without any problems. I loved it. Yes, I haven't tried any of the kind of browns, but I have swatched them and I know that they are very high quality and they're very similar with the other colors that I have tried today. So I think I will come back with another look either here or at my TikTok. If you don't know, my TikTok or Instagram username is Catlady Antigoni everywhere, and I would be very happy if you follow me there as well. Now, I don't know if I need to come back for an additional review because I have seen enough from this palette to know that I love it. I like it so much. Even this color, which is not a very Antigoni friendly color, when I see it, it's kind of like brown to golden to pink to dark pink, to be honest. So it's just beautiful, it's stunning, it's neutral, but it's a different neutral. So to me it's so intriguing because I really want to kind of incorporate it in a makeup look because I feel it's gonna be super interesting. Now, when it comes to the duochrome and to this shimmer right here, which is called Disco Stick, I'm so happy. I mean, you can see them on my eyes. I don't have any negative comments. I have this makeup for quite a few hours, and as you can see here, and as you can see on the camera as well, nothing has creased. I didn't have to kind of have a brush with me to adjust, to fix it. So to me this is very important because, as I have told you some other times, I'm not carrying a brush around when I'm going out to live my life, to be at the restaurant, to hang out with my friends and stuff like that. So to me it's super important. And yes, all in all, I'm very happy with both the palette and the lip gloss. I think that in the future I'm gonna try more of the lip glosses, and of course if she released some new makeup I would be very happy to try it. I'm super happy with everything that I have tried from her brand, and really I'm looking forward to more releases from her. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed my review and this makeup, which I loved. Let me tell you, I really love this makeup look. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, everywhere. My name is Catlady Antigoni. Again, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you a lot. See you next time with a more chatty video, and until then, bye!